Imaging Spectrum today, we'll demonstrate how to hardwire the printer to the iPad using the WCM Plus. This setup is particularly useful if you're at an event where your hotspot or Wi-Fi connection keeps dropping, or if there are other vendors nearby. Let us start by saying you will need an Ethernet adapter for your version of iPad. We suggest that you pick a powered Ethernet adapter so that the iPad does not shut down at your event. You will also need a DNP printer, a print cable, the DNP WCM Plus, and of course an Ethernet cable long enough to reach the iPad from the printer's location. Here I have an older DNP DS80 to show you that the WCM Plus can connect to it, and the newer DNP DS620A printer that you can purchase at Imaging Spectrum, along with the WCM Plus as well. I am plugging in my iPad Pro just to show you that the adapter is connected and powering it. So we will kind of speed through the general process of connecting the WCM Plus via Wi-Fi, since we already have a video up on how to do that on our Imaging Spectrum YouTube page. We will start by plugging the WCM Plus into a power outlet. With it now plugged in, you can plug in your print cable from your printer as you see here. Then turn your printer on if you have not already done so at this time. Once the printer is ready and the WCM Plus is ready, a test file will auto-print, providing the WCM Plus information covered in the connection video. I am going to speed through the connection and print out a test print to the DS80. This will be an 8x10 just to show you how easy it is and how smooth the device makes printing from an iPad. Now that you know it, I will show you how to hardwire the printer to the iPad from the WCM Plus. So that way, if you're at an event and your hotspot or Wi-Fi keeps dropping out, or there are other vendors and two Wi-Fi channels causing the issue, you will have a way to fix it. Right now, it shows that there is an Ethernet connection due to the adapter being plugged into the iPad already, but really, there is not at this time. Let us grab the WCM Plus and insert the Ethernet cable into this port. Next, grab the adapter and connect the Ethernet cable to the port. Plug the adapter back in if you have not already, as you see here. I am pulling up the WCM portal just to show you that the DS620A is not currently displayed. We will now plug the print cable for the DS620A. I will also unplug the power and reconnect after a few seconds. This just speeds up the WCM portal to refresh and display the new printer. Once we unplugged the WCM Plus, my Wi-Fi disconnected from it, and I had to go back in and reconnect the Wi-Fi to use the WCM portal again. As you see, I am connected, and the WCM portal displays the DS620 with 4x6 media in it. I will run a test print to show you that the WCM Plus is working. Now I am opening a photo in the gallery to print. I click Share, then scroll down and click Print. Now you have to select which printer you are sending the print to at this time. I select the DS620 with the 4x6 next to it, because that is the media kit I have in the printer from Imaging Spectrum. Then press the blueprint button. Depending on your photo booth software, you should see a very similar display when you need to add a printer. The photo is printed, and now I am turning off the Wi-Fi as you see here. I am now going back to the gallery and printing the same photo by clicking Share once again, scrolling down, and clicking Print. Selecting the same DS620 with the 4x6 size and clicking Print again. This time, though, I get a notification. It is a security warning that says the printer with the same name appears to be a different printer than the previously used printer with the same name, or the connection may not be trustworthy. If this is expected, tap Continue, which you would click Continue because we know the printer is the same, but the connection is different now that we turned off Wi-Fi. Your image will print as it did before in about the same time, if not faster, depending on your booth software. You can purchase your printers, media kits, and much more from Imaging Spectrum. Give us a call today